This is HP 935 Creator mouse. Came in a beautiful box like this, packed in paper. The design reminds me of Logitech MX Master 3, which I had for a while and I hated it. Up to 12 weeks, which is amazing. You got a pink knife. And now we're going to open it. This is the mouse. It's a nice size. It's average, maybe a little bit bigger than average. Charging cable, USB-A to USB-C, and manual. Let's take a look at the manual, and it basically tells you all, right? Things we get. This is gonna be inside, like this, shows here. Programmable buttons, right? 2 hours to charge with this cord from your computer or old phone charger, and turn off. This goes to your USB port in your computer. Make sure Bluetooth is on. Let's take a look. It's a nice size. I like this size, so it's a full-size mouse. There are bigger ones, but this one is on a bigger side. If you have a very small hand, it might not be ideal for you. I'm gonna also show you a comparison to other mice that I have. Programmable buttons, and shows you that dongle must be there. Look, just press like this. And then you can open, and here we have the dongle. Here we can see a good comparison. So this is HP 935 and this is 635. The dongles are the same, by the way. Look how it fits in the hand. So 635 is like this, tiny, right? And my hand is kind of average, it's not big, but this one is like, you see, so tiny. This one, look, perfect. Even if I have bigger hands, it's gonna go right here and it'll still be fine. This is perfect. Definitely not for someone with a very small hand. You need to have at least mid-size hand, maybe bigger, then it'll be perfect. And this is for comparison, Logitech G305 mouse. This one is more like average, right? So this one like fits fine, and this one is a little bit bigger, but bigger better. This is America. And this one is Alienware, I believe 610. This one is from my gaming computer. This one is good size for me. This one is about the same. I charged it a little bit. Works fine. Clicks are a little bit tough. You need to use some force to click it. You can also program these buttons for some functions. Overall, this is kind of a little bit slow mouse for someone who wants to just click. Okay, click over there, click over here. Not for someone who will be like clicking like crazy, you know. Not for gaming. Horrible for gaming. Gonna be the worst mouse for gaming. These buttons are too hard to click. They're just for like some slow movement. So like click, watch a movie from here. I don't know why they make it like this, but that's my personal feel. The material quality, I mean, it's just plastic. Feels fine. I bought it on sale at a huge discount from HP directly. So was a good deal. For office use, so it'll be fine. For office, I don't need like, definitely not for gaming, but for everything else it should be fine. If you don't click too fast, don't do like fast things, it'll be fine. Otherwise, I would look for something with like, you know, easier clicks. Conclusion. So the clicks are a little bit slow and hard to press. The size is bigger than average. It has internal battery that you charge. No AA or AAA batteries or anything.